Hey, this is Corey from Woodcraft, and I'm out by the river today. It is absolutely gorgeous. The sun is setting. We don't have a lot of time, but I wanted to show you guys. Caroline did a video talking about brat patties. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. But what I'm here to show you is how I do the dishes. So we have these dishes here. When I clean my dishes, I'm in an area where I am allowed to use biodegradable soaps and shampoos and stuff in the water. I'm allowed to bathe in the water. I'm allowed to use this water source. There's other areas, even here in Minnesota, where you need to be 100 yards from camp. So make sure you know what area you're in. Make sure you know the rules and the laws in your area, because you might have to carry the water 100 yards away. But even if I do that, it's exactly the same process. So what I do is we have 2 plates and some silverware. And so I take the dirty dishes and I fill it with water. And then I take this one with the spoons and everything. I take the spoons and everything out, fill this one with water. And then I use Wilderness Wash. Wilderness Wash is biodegradable. I know a lot of people like to use Dawn dish soap. They use that for oil spills. It's again biodegradable. It's environmentally friendly. I like Wilderness Wash. It's not very good at anything, but it can do a lot. I use this as shampoo, body wash. I use it to clean my dishes. I use it to clean my knife. I use it for a lot of different things. And so that's why I like it. It's kind of a jack of all trade, master of none. But yeah, it comes in a really tiny little bottle. And I just take a little drop, and I put a little drop into each pot, pan, plate, whatever I have. And then I just work it in. So you can see it suds up. Make sure to get the edges. And then I just give it a rinse. That is clean. Now this one has the silverware in it, so I'm going to do each utensil first. So I got a titanium spoon, titanium fork. I make sure to rinse them. A lot of people like to just clean them and then rinse them with filtered water. I like to preserve my filtered water, so I rinse them in. If I have a tub, I use the tub or the river or the lake or whatever. I like to rinse them here because I'm not wasting filtered water that way. Alright, so all these are clean. Again with the plate, make sure to get the edges. Rinse it. And there are my clean dishes. So again, it's very easy, very simple. If I had a tub of water, I would do it the same way. I would keep my pots, my pans, my plates separate from my tub of water. I would never put dirty dishes into a tub of clean water or river water or lake water. I'd keep it separate. And then, depending on what it is, if it's pots and pans, I'll be done. I won't do anything else. But with these plates and the silverware and stuff, I'll go back to camp and I'll use filtered, clean, fresh water, and I'll rinse them off and kind of give them one last rinse to make sure I don't have any contaminants from the river on my clean dishes. When it comes to the pots and pans, I'm going to be cooking on those. And so whatever in them is going to get cooked out of them. You're going to end up boiling water in them anyway, so they're going to clean themselves. But this stuff I would give a rinse with clean water. And yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy actually. As long as you keep your water that you're using to clean with and your dirty dishes separate. I never mix the two together. And that's my quick tip for you today. I got a video coming out on Caroline. She made brat patties. That's where these dirty dishes came with. So make sure to click right here and you can watch that video. And I cannot wait to see you on the next one.